Hello and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So friends, markets is going one way and that way is to the upside. And some of the stocks or some group of stocks have done phenomenally well. And today I'm going to be sharing with you and I'm going to actually be discussing with you कि आपका कौन सा चहीता स्टॉक है जिस पे आपने काम किया है, जिस पे आपने ट्रेड किया है, जिस पे आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है. एंड टुडे आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द अदानी ग्रुप एंड यू कैन सी दैट द अदानी ग्रुप is the second biggest group after Reliance that has done phenomenally well for the investors. Yes, hello everyone. Hello Vishal. Hello Sonu. Hello everyone. Welcome to Market Ki Baatein. Today I thought why don't I catch my friends in the evening and find out what have you guys done during the expiry and which is today's question of the day is which stock from the Adani group is your preference? Do you prefer Adani Transmission? Do you prefer Adani Gas? Do you prefer Adani Power? So which is your preference? And why do you prefer them? Have you traded into them? Have you invested into them? So अदानी के जो इम्पोर्टेंट या प्रोमिनेंट स्टॉक्स जो हैं वो ये 6 स्टॉक्स है. अदानी गैस, अदानी पावर, अदानी ट्रांसमिशन, अदानी एंटरप्राइज. सो ये सारे स्टॉक्स जो है they all are creating lot of buzz and yes they are having a fantastic time as far as the prices are concerned, and along with that there is also a very good movement seen for the investors portfolio. But then there are times when the whole stock move may come to an end, but then that is what people are thinking right now, that probably this move is coming to an end. However, there are still some stocks which are showing some potential and that's what I am here for to discuss, and that's what we'll be discussing today कि अदानी ग्रुप में से काफी सारे stocks हैं, right, but then some stocks are showing more potential. Well, some people don't want to trade Adani for XYZ reason, but then Gautam Adani is the second most richest guy after Mukesh Ambani. So and they have got a very big conglomerate and close to 27 billion है उनका नेटवर्क. तो काफी सारा इंटरेस्टिंग काम किया है उन्होंने भी, and the recent acquisition of the Mumbai International Airport has added some luster to the whole thing. Yes, yes, अगर गवर्नमेंट चेंज होगा तो probably it may affect, but then that's still a long way away. We still have time to think about it. And right now what you got to see is this particular group. Reliance group के बारे में तो सबको पता है. And right now in the Reliance group, if you take it, there is only one lonely star, which is the Reliance group itself. Otherwise the other small subsidiary companies which were also helping lot of investors, lot of traders have all become subdued. So now what are we actually seeing? We are seeing emergence of other groups. There is the Tata group which is doing quite well. There's Adani group which is doing quite well. We'll be discussing about Tata group and what are their set of stocks doing, right? So there is a group from Sundaram Finance also, the TVS group. They are also doing quite well. So that way there are a lot of groups in India, and amongst them the Adani group seems to be a very interesting one. We'll be discussing about other sets of group companies and which stock is looking good from that particular group. This is the kind of discussions which I like to have on Market Ki Baatein, so that I'll be able to share my knowledge with you. I'll be able to give you some information and उसके जरिए आपका भी थोड़ा आइडिया मिल जाएगा आपको कि इस स्टॉक पे आपको काम कैसे करना है, right? That's what is the discussion. And yes, some of you said you have invested into Adani Power. Some of you are saying you have invested into Adani Enterprise. But then if you take a look at the whole market scenario and if you take a look at the way three stocks in particular have been moving, which is Adani Transmission, Adani Power and Adani Gas. So they have moved phenomenally well. When I say phenomenally, between in the last 3 months, the whole stoop. Yes, Jindal Group also is a good group. We will have it discussed. Thank you for sharing. We'll be discussing that group also. So this kind of discussions is what I'll be engaging in between, so that you get an idea. So when I take a look at the charts of the six companies which I shared with you all as part of today's post, you can see that the charts of Adani Green, which is the most popular amongst all the Adani, it has bet even the main company Adani Enterprise. So the sharp move which you have seen in this stock in this year, it has gone from 100 to 1000. So you are having a 1000 multiple here, and the way the 100x multiple जो है ये stock का, it has surprised everyone. People were not expecting this kind of a move, and it has gone on from strength to strength. But then if you take a look at the overall momentum जो है इसमें it seems to be dwindling, और इसमें एक pullback आने की possibility है. But because the stock is so much in demand, you may not experience so much of a pullback. The pullback which had to come from close to 1200, it has already come to somewhere around 980. So right now, if you see, the stock is at a good pullback zone, और यहाँ से the stock should come up. So those who have missed the bus earlier in Adani Green could take a look at Adani Green now, because it is at a very low risk point. All right. So that is the scenario on Adani Green. Momentum में भी एक अच्छा pullback आया है, और उसकी वजह से हम इस स्टॉक को अच्छी तरह कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. Yes, if you enter the stock right now, your stop loss, the near term stop loss would be somewhere around 970 to 960, और उसके साथ आप Adani Green में enter कर सकते हैं. Then if you take a look at the Adani Gas has also doubled. Okay, it has doubled in the last 6 months. So अभी stock double हो गया है, और if you see in the higher time frame charts, it is actually struggling around the 375 to 380 zone, और उसमें the momentum is showing some signs of exhaustion. Signs of exhaustion का मतलब है कि थोड़ी थकावट आ रही है, और उसकी वजह से there is a possibility of some profit booking. The markets are going one way, right? But then if it were to happen that there is some profit booking, so this stock could see a dip almost by around 75 to 80 points. And that would be a good area to buy into. इसका overall momentum अच्छा है. So I would be a buyer on dips in Adani Gas to the region of around 300 to 320. So it's a dip buy opportunity. अब इस मुकाम पे invest करना is not advisable. And now the other stock which has really seen a fantastic move is Adani Transmission. Adani Transmission also in the year 2020, it has gone up more than double. So you can see a very, very strong move here. It has gone up more than double. 2x movement है यहाँ पे, और इस पे जो movement चल रहा है फिलहाल, it is quite good. It is holding on. But then the market is at such a stage, friends, that if you're going to invest now, or if you're going to trade now, you got to accept that there is going to be some volatility. और इस volatility की वजह से you got to take care that अगर थोड़ा नीचे आ जाए तो nothing has gone wrong. It is just that there is some profit booking, and it happens, right? Just for example, if you're driving a car, it is quite possible, and it will happen that either you will go and hit someone else's car, or someone else's car may hit you. It's not that it happens on purpose, but then that's the way it is. So when you're driving, that's what is going to happen. You are going to either meet with an accident initiated by you or initiated by someone. So when you are trading, when you are investing, you got to accept that yes, these kind of casualty will happen. So got to accept it and control the risk element, because that is the only thing which you can control. So that's why I'm saying that the entire Adani group has moved phenomenally well. What you got to do is whether at this point it is wise to enter or not. But if you take a look at the stocks, the whole thing is very, very good, and the setup is definitely good in Adani Transmission, Adani Green, Adani Gas. But now when you try and move your focus to some other stocks like Adani Ports, right? Adani Port is the other stock which is quite popular, which is quite in demand, and they are definitely in contention because the way of activity which is happening on the ports front. So Adani Port is definitely in demand. It did consolidate, but now there is this strong buying which is happening, and that's what pushed Adani Port to a very strong move. So the strong move which you saw in Adani Port right from the 350 360 levels, it has seen a very strong move to the upside. So you have seen around 40% rise in the last 2 months, which has been quite terrific. And right now, at higher levels around 480 to 500, it's going to be a tough ask for it to climb up because the momentum seems to be getting stretched, and there could possibly be a pullback. Pullback to where? Pullback to around the 420 levels could be something which you could track, because those are the support zones which I am forcing on the charts. And if you take a look at the whole setup, the momentum 2 is showing some signs of exhaustion क्योंकि एक overbought zone पर जा चुका है. So अगर market is going to slip, then there could be some profit booking, and that could bring this whole stock downward, but then not too much down, because the whole group, okay, the whole group as such is on a positive traction, positive territory. So आपको इसे इस ग्रुप के जो अच्छे स्टॉक्स है, अच्छे परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक्स है, उसको पुल बैक पे लेना चाहिए. So this is another stock which I would advocate to buy on pullback, but pullback to around 400 to 410 levels would be a good area to watch out for. Yes, the stocks have moved quite far away, so it would take some time for the pullback to happen, but then market is about waiting. You got to wait like the cheetah or the lion does in the African jungle. They wait for their prey. If they attack them without notice, or if they attack them without a plan, then they are the ones who get killed sometimes, or they are the one who have to hurry and run away. So you decide whom you want to be. Now let's go and take a look at another stock. This stock again from the Adani Group, which I had shared, Adani Power. Adani Power is a very sporadic stock. उसमें liquidity का हमेशा थोड़ा issue होता है, and the stock doesn't move well. So you got to be well capitalized to handle the gyration, or the moves which it makes are not very consistent. और उसकी वजह से it is always better to go into the other stocks. Yes, there is some news on the power sector. There is some Make in India campaign which is running, and the government is definitely supporting the power sector. But then from the power sector, this is not the stock from the Adani Group which you should be picking, because yes, you may feel that it is only 45 47 rupees, but then don't go by the value of the price. Go with the price as well as the kind of potential which the stock can have to give you some return. All right, so Adani Power will be a skip from my side. And then when you take a look at Adani Enterprises itself, Adani Enterprises has been on a terrific run, and the move continues to extend. And even if you take a look on higher time frame charts, it is in a very strong overbought territory. Yes, overbought territory का मतलब है कि यहाँ पर आपको चौकन्ना रहना है, and it doesn't say that you got to sell your holding, but then it definitely demands that you have a trailing stop loss. You got to adapt a trailing stop loss approach, and unless and until you don't adopt a trailing stop loss, you are going to have a challenge, because it is going to slip, and when it does slip, it would be a fast one. All right, so ये थे मेरे थोड़े ख्याल on the Adani Group stocks. The stocks are placed very well. Some stocks are an avoid, because right now they are undergoing some small corrections, and like I said, Adani Power is something which you can totally avoid because it is not worth participating in. Yes, you could have a different view, but then I have shared you my view. So yes, this is what I wanted to share with you as part of today's podcast on Market Ki Baatein. Yes, this story which I come out with on Market Ki Baatein is all about giving you some kind of clarity. I hope you like what I shared, and I hope that you will share this video with as many people as possible, because this kind of detailed discussions, this kind of sharing is not happening on the internet, and that's what I want to share with all of you, right? If you guys have any questions on any of the stocks which I have discussed, I'm happy to answer. Otherwise, we have come to an end of today's show. Yeah, Vishal. Yes, Adani Green, Adani Gas. Yes, Adani Green, the dip has already come. Adani Enterprise, you got to be careful because it's entered into strong zone. Adani Ports is experiencing a pullback, so wait for the pullback. Right. That's right, Vishal. Any of you guys have any questions on what we have discussed? So let's concentrate on what we have discussed. So all the people who are there online, they will get some clue on what needs to be done on what I have discussed. Yeah. You're welcome. Any other questions from anyone? You don't trade any of these stocks, no problem. But at least you'll know these stocks, at least you'll hear the names for the first time, and probably you will go ahead and try and look at them, find out the levels. And that's what I want you all to do. I want you all to introspect, because market is all about how you are thinking about what is happening all the time, right? Yeah, we'll discuss about the Tata Group next time. So today's feed, I try to keep the feed small so that the whole discussion happens in a more pointed way. I'll be coming out with the Tata Group, so that time do join in. I'll be making a post as well. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, I come online with this particular kind of format. There will be other kinds of format which we are coming up with, and where we'll be discussing about various other scenarios. For those who are wanting to know more, you can also visit our YouTube channel, Charter-Wise Profits for You, and get some insight on markets. My founder, Dr. C.K. Narayan, is there online, and he comes out with his own videos, and he shares his views on what we need to do as a trader, what we need to do as an investor, and how we need to change our thinking so that we are in tune with the market. All right. Thank you for being here. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also a trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Thank you. Good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. I'll catch you again in our next feed. Do connect, stay connected. Join our, be connected on our Instagram feed. Be connected on our YouTube feed, and you will see that your world of stock market, your perspective of stock market, and the way your bottom line is changing will definitely have a positive impact. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe.